Did you guys ever had a problem of when you put the key in, you have to wiggle a bunch of stuff so that you can turn the key and start the engine? Sticking problem. Yeah. Alright guys, Subaru keys. Here's the original. I'm gonna copy it to this one. This is from part source. Trace. Subaru. Legacy Brighton 85 to 99. There you go. Black cassette. Let's put the key, the original key and the new key. Okay, I got the original key and the blank key right here. Let's start cutting. Alright, so I took it off. We're gonna have to run it again. It's not deep enough. It's supposed to be like that. So I'm gonna run this again so it will look exactly the same. Alright guys, so this is what I cut. This is about what I ran it like 4 or 5 times because it's a steel, really hard steel key. This is what I had from part source. Got it, cut it. I traced this through here. This is the original one. You can tell it's really worn out. It's sticking. The cylinder is sticking when I use this. I tried this already and it works on a cylinder better than this one. So I traced this to this, what you see on the video. So I don't know if you can see there. It's not quite a good cut, but I can run it again probably. But I'm gonna have to try it first on in the vehicle, and if I need to cut it more. But this one cuts really good. This one's nice, and compared to the original one, it's really worn out. Okay, so this don't need to be programmed on the legacy. Don't need to be programmed. We'll give this a try, see if it works. So this is just a regular key, nothing fancy, no chip, just a regular key. So here, I'll show you what the original feels like. It's really worn out, you can tell. You put it in, see, there you go. And then when we turn back, it takes a while. You have to push in and then pull it out. Okay, that's a little struggle. Once in a while it's sticking. I cannot spray a lubricant inside already, so I got the AC dog ignition spray. Anyways, sticking. There you go. and pull it out. Now I cut this one. Let's try it out. This one, it goes right away. Not bad. Nope, sticking. There you go. And then third one. Look at that. Nope. It's hard to come out. You go in okay, but to come out, you have to push it in. There you go. See, that struggle is not good. Not good. So needs to cut some more. Needs to cut this more. This little one works the best compared to this two big fat one here. Little one works the best, kinda. Still staking. There you go. Struggle again. There you go. So what I'm trying to say here is cut a brand new key instead of replacing this ignition cylinder and tumblers and all the springs inside. Cut a brand new key. It's cheaper than replacing this part. And in my case, I'm gonna have to run it on the machine a couple times. Original key. This will start.